Welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple rock, paper, scissors game. So I have to create a new project and we find the 2D template and then we put the name for that. To start off, we have to set up such as the button for the player to click on the rock, paper and scissors, and also the display for the player choice and also the computer choice, and also displaying the condition and maybe the advice text and also the title text. So let's done all of this. The next step is to find all the necessary package and also the image and also the audio. You have to find yourself in the internet, but I've already done it and I put it in my local computer. Inside the image you can see that I have the rock, I have the scissor and also the paper, and also this random sign. So we just put the rock inside the rock by clicking on the rock button and we drag the image inside here. And yeah, it's done like that. The next thing to do is to import the package by clicking the asset, import package and custom package, and then this will be the package. We just open it up and we import everything. So these three script is very important and we have to place it respectively. This game manager is about controlling the flow of the game. We need to create an empty game object and we rename it into game manager, and then we drag this script inside here. Yeah, and you can see that there's all the blank to be filled. This button script is used by the button object, which when we click we need to place it inside the rock, paper and scissors button. We can done it by just drag inside each of them. We also need to change some of the setting here. You can see that there's a choice value. So let's see what value should we put. We go to the game manager and we try to find the related thing, which in case 1 it will do the rock spike, case 2 it will do the paper, case 3 it will do the scissors. Rock is 1, paper is 2, and scissors is 3. Yeah, and it should be works well. And then for the game manager we just have to put this manager inside like this. The last thing we have to do is the audio sound. We can just right click audio and audio source. There should be 2 components for the audio source. The first one is the background sound, while the second one is the sound effect that should be run one time only when it's triggered. So to do this, we can just drag the background inside the audio source over here, and then we make sure to click this loop so that it can be looping over time. We have to have another audio source for the sound effect, so we can add a component and then we add the audio source. We have to assign this inside the game manager by dragging this into here. Okay, so I think we have made every setting done. The last thing, we just have to drag everything inside here. So the last thing is to add the sound effect. However, one thing we should be note that the arrangement is actually matters, because if draws, which is if player choice is same as the computer choice, it will be running the second one because the first index will be the 0. So if win, you run the 0 index, which is the first one, and if lose, you run the third one. So inside here we have to change. If win, it will be the first one, if draw will be the second one, and if lose, it will be the third one. Yeah, so that's pretty much, I guess.